This is Pioneer's AVH-1400NEX. This is an in-dash AM/FM CD and DVD player with a 6.2-inch touchscreen. The AVH-1400NEX is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Apple HomeKit when used with a wired USB connection. The AVH-1400NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is backup camera ready and Sirius XM ready. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right. We'll start off here with the wire harness. And we use the wire harness here to connect power, ground, and speakers, all of the electrical connections from the vehicle to the in-dash receiver. Next up, we have a handful of installation screws, some install screws. Next is the Bluetooth microphone, and we use the Bluetooth microphone here for hands-free calling. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next up is the USB extension. Now, this in-dash receiver has the USB port on the back, so we include a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. Next up, we have the quick start guide and the installation manual. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your phone. Just take a look at pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, we have the warranty card in the box there. All right, let's get the in-dash receiver up out of there. There we go. The front panel of the AVH-1400NEX has a simple layout. The volume control is here. The home key and display keys are here. This is the voice activation key. And the CD/DVD slot is across the top. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. The back panel of the AVH-1400NEX starts off with 2 black plugs. The Bluetooth microphone included with the product will plug in right here. And this jack can be used to operate your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. You'll use this port for the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. And the optional iDataLink Maestro RR OEM integration unit will plug in right here. Here is the USB port that can be used for Apple CarPlay. The USB port can also be used for music, movies, and still images through a USB thumb drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next is the audio and video auxiliary input. This is where you'll plug in the power and ground wire harness connected to the vehicle. On the other side, we start off with 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer out, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port is for adding on the optional AVIC U280 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the backup camera input. Here is the audio and video RCA input and RCA video output. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-1400NEX and what's in the box.